Alright, shop's a mess already. Couldn't be helped. This is an 8.8 axle, and I'm going to show you that if you have a drill, you can put 98 to 2002 Chevy Blazer rear disc brakes on your Ford 8.8. I'm Brian Baker, commercial pilot, A&P mechanic, and car enthusiast. Come with me as I do some burnouts, fly helicopters, and try not to break anything. We're going to take this 8.8 out of a Fox body and we're going to put it in the GBody wagon. Downsides are it comes with drum brakes and 4-lug axles. Now, I could have had the axles drilled out and there's all kinds of things that I could have done, but what I did do, I went with Moser Engineering set. Now, a mistake I made whenever I ordered these axles was I didn't have the brakes that I was going to install. The problem with that is that I have this big gap right here. Now, the S10 brakes are hub-centric, which means that they're supposed to be centered by resting against this hub. So now what I have to do is I have to order a hub-centric ring to slide in there so that the drums don't do this whenever I'm driving around and cause a vibration. Now what you can do is if you're ordering the same Moser axles, you can request for no extra money that they make this hub shoulder the inside diameter of this disc, and all you have to do is call them up with a measurement whenever you make your order and they can do it at no extra cost. For the brakes, there's the S10 Blazer brakes that we just went and got from the junkyard, and they're backing plates. And that's what we want right there. So that's the 4-wheel drive, and this one's the 2-wheel drive. This backing plate on the 4-wheel drive has this on the other side. Here's a 4-wheel drive right here. If you look at this 4-wheel drive one, same side, the bracket is on the other side. Alright, so here's the left side brakes from the S10 Blazer. Step 1 for putting on your new disc brake backing plate. You hold it up there and there should be one hole that aligns. Aft lower hole aligns pretty well. And it ain't going anywhere. What we're going to do back here, very simple. We're just going to take a pin, dig it around in there to mark our hole. These are all going to have new holes drilled. Alright, I have a pretty good idea of where these are going. So let's go over to the drill press. Center punch. In case you're curious, this is a 7/16 drill. So clean it off, just like that. Is the only thing wrong with these Summit seats, is every time you sit down it sounds like you sat on a whale. As you can see, I got all the bolts lined up. I'll drop all the nuts on them, and honestly, we're really done with this. As far as any custom work goes, the rest of it's just maybe a brake line, and then moving on to all the stuff you need to actually do to install this in your GBody. The precaution to take here is make sure that your bleeder screw is uphill. 5 lug disc brakes from a Chevy S10 on your 8.8 forward axle. Braking test. Here we go.
To learn how you can install an 8.8 axle with Chevy brakes in your GBody, check out the link in the description.